The cryptocurrency markets have been online for over a decade, and there have been many changes. Even though crypto is one of the most volatile markets today, it also has many opportunities. However, many traders don't have the time or knowledge to take full advantage of these conditions. The best way to do so is by getting the best crypto trading bot in 2021. If you're looking for the best crypto trading bot, you'll have to find one that makes you profits whether the market is moving up or down. You also want one that has dedicated support and a free community of like-minded people who are constantly making it better. You'll find all of these and more with MattBot AI. At mattbot.com, you'll get access to the AI that has made many traders successful. Even if you're a beginner, you can make consistent profits and trade without missing any opportunities 24/7. MattBot AI crypto trading bot does everything for you and never closes on a losing trade. At mattbot.com, you get access to 100% free training from a community of dedicated cryptocurrency enthusiasts. You can use MattBot AI to scan the markets and trade for you, even while you're away from the computer. Since the crypto market is always open, a crypto trading bot is the best way to take advantage of all the opportunities. Not only that, mattbot.com has a passionate community that is always willing to support you. There's no better place to learn crypto than in a group that understands your interests and goals. Visit mattbot.com today and begin your journey towards consistent success in the crypto market. You also get training resources 100% for free. Let MattBot AI be your anchor and later your support when you begin trading. Join now and get 100% free training and free access to the community for life.